Hello you. Welcome to Strategy Check, the one place you can find ways of making money online that work. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online from playing games. And for you gamers out there, why you should not consider deleting your gaming account. Please stay tuned to find out more. Okay, if you love playing games. Because I know I do. And the fun fact about it, that most people don't know, is that you can get paid for playing any of the most popular online games right now. I'm talking about $100 minimum per game. But nobody realizes it yet. Be part of the many people who have started making money online, from playing games. The first thing you need to do is to pick any online game you want to play. Anyone at all, but I love playing first-person shooter games, so I'm going for a first-person shooter game. I'll try to play the game a little, just so I unlock some nice artifacts, weapons and stuff. But for those who already have a gaming account, on any game at all, this is way easier and will be a good reason for you not to delete your gaming account. Because you can make money online from playing games. From any of the two websites I'm about to show you right now. You can simply click the first link in the description below right now to get started. It will take you to this website, www.playerauctions.com. It's a pretty secure and amazing website, and it's also free to sign up. On this website, you can easily buy and sell any game right here. And if you take a look at this, there are quite a lot of people here that are making a lot of money online from playing games. I mean, can you just take a look at this guy right here and see how much he makes from playing just this one game? There are tons of others like this who make almost 6 figures monthly from just playing games. You can be part of the family right now by clicking the first link in the description below. Well, if you're interested in making money online from a lot more things than just games, you're definitely in for a treat, because with this website I'm about to show you right now, you can make a huge amount of money online from the comfort of your home. And honestly speaking, I'm not just bluffing by saying this. And like all other things I talk about in all my videos, this is one of the only legitimate ways of making money online without investment or skills. You can simply click the second link in the description below and head over to this website, called playerup.com. And what I like about this website, other than the fact that it is secure, is that it gives you the ability to make money online from anything at all. I'm talking about social media accounts, games, even websites. And it's pretty simple. All you have to do is to click the second link in the description below to get started right now, to make money online today. Well, that about wraps things up. And if you enjoyed this video so far, please don't hesitate to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment, because it might not take a lot from you, but it means the world to me if you do so. And if there is anything you would like me to test out for you, just simply ask and I'll reply to you immediately. I hope this helps you in any way at all.